Hi entrepreneurs! Summer na at taganit na ulit. Siguradong mabenta na itong Mango Graham Shake recipe idea. These are the ingredients. inJoy milkshake mango, inJoy fan frap whipped cream, inJoy tapioca pearl, crushed ice, diced fresh mango, and crushed graham. Mix your half cup inJoy milkshake powder into 75 ml water and add 300 grams crushed ice. Blend until smooth and creamy. Now this is where we assemble our drink. First, add inJoy tapioca pearl and crushed graham. Then, add inJoy milkshake until half nung cup. Then we add another layer with fan frap and graham. Pour the remaining mango milkshake and top it off with fresh mangoes and sprinkle with crushed graham. Super easy and delicious negosyo recipe idea, done!